Annyeonghaseyo, students of Saakdos.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today we are going to have our cleanup drive for this month. Okay, so we are going to pick up trash here, over here, until that part. Okay? Here and over here. So, you will not go somewhere ha na kanang too far. Ha? Kay I want to see all of you. Okay? Okay, so let's clean up sa Saakdos students. So, itapok ninyo yung basura dre, oh. There. So, these are the garbage that they collected for today's cleanup drive here in Saakdos. There you go. Okay. So, after this, please wash your hands because I will be distributing snacks. Okay? So, go ahead, wash your hands.
Hoy, asa mo?
Okay, so we are already done with our cleanup drive. And have you already washed your hands? Have you already washed your hands?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So, we are going to distribute snacks, okay? So, I actually prepared 500 worth of snack for you, and I will also be distributing the second batch of ice cream from Okay. Okay, so please get one ice cream and one snack.
Pagpiliin ha.
So, kisa galing naghatag sa ice cream? Okay. Okay. So, mayong butag nim, kamsamnida.
Mayong butag nim,
Okay.
Hindi, humok.
Ako!
Okay, so we have ice cream left. So, kuha inday. Ice cream. So, we are going to distribute it to the little kids.
Doy, aray, doy.
Ali, David. So, some of the ice cream left will be given to the small children on the village.
Kanda ba? Igeta giduha pag ginto. Kadagan. Dali na.
Doy.
Nangawatan ng isko.
Doy.
Sa'yo, students? Okay, so tonight we'll be having a movie marathon. So, are you all excited? Yes! Okay, very good. Your energy is so high, so you may now take your seats, and students, hope you will learn a lesson from this movie.